Are you planning your summer vacation and looking for the best destinations? Well, you're in the right place. Summer vacations are the highlight of our year, an opportunity to create lasting memories, explore new cultures, and enjoy some much-needed relaxation. But of course, the key to an unforgettable summer vacation is choosing the right destination. So, to help you make that all-important decision, we're going to count down the top 5 summer vacation spots you should consider for your next getaway. Get ready to pack your bags as we embark on this exciting journey. Starting off our countdown at number 5, we're heading to the enchanting island of Bali in Indonesia. This tropical paradise is a haven for beach lovers, culture enthusiasts, and party animals alike. Bali's beaches are a sight to behold, with their pristine white sands, crystal clear waters, and breathtaking sunsets. From the popular Kuta beach to the tranquil shores of Nusa Dua, there's a beach for every preference. But Bali isn't just about the beaches. It's a destination rich in culture and history. Visit the ancient temples, immerse yourself in the local traditions, and be sure to catch a traditional Balinese dance performance. The cultural heritage of Bali is truly something to be admired. And as the sun goes down, Bali transforms into a vibrant nightlife hub. Whether you're into laid-back beach bars or bustling nightclubs, Bali's nightlife scene has something for everyone. One of the best things about Bali is its affordability. Despite its world-class attractions, Bali remains a budget-friendly destination. You can enjoy luxury accommodations, indulge in local cuisine, and partake in a variety of activities without burning a hole in your wallet. And let's not forget the friendly locals. The Balinese people are known for their warmth and hospitality, making you feel welcome from the moment you step foot on the island. So if you're looking for a tropical paradise that won't break the bank, Bali is the place to be. Moving on to our 4th best summer vacation spot, Santorini, Greece. This island paradise in the Aegean Sea is a feast for the senses, brimming with stunning views, unique architecture, and mouth-watering cuisine. Let's start with the visuals. Santorini is famous for its breathtaking panoramas of the Azure Sea, the caldera, and the surrounding Cycladic islands. The island offers a kaleidoscope of colors: the stark white of the buildings, the deep blue of the sea, and the vibrant hues of the wildflowers that dot the landscape. Speaking of the buildings, Santorini's architecture is a testament to the unique culture and history of the island. The iconic white and blue buildings are a sight to behold, clinging to the cliffs like a cluster of pearls. These structures, with their smooth, rounded edges and blue-domed roofs, are a perfect blend of functionality and aesthetics, designed to withstand the elements while providing a cool refuge from the summer sun. But Santorini is not just about the eye candy. The island is also a gastronomic delight. The volcanic soil makes for a unique terroir that produces distinctive wines and delicious produce. Imagine indulging in a meal of fresh seafood, ripe tomatoes, and creamy fava, all drizzled with local olive oil and paired with a glass of crisp Assyrtiko wine. And then there's the romantic atmosphere. Santorini is a favored destination for honeymooners, and it's easy to see why. The beautiful sunsets over the caldera, the leisurely strolls along the cobblestone streets of Oya, and the candlelit dinners on private terraces all add to the charm of this idyllic island. But what makes Santorini truly special is the way it makes you feel. There's a certain tranquility that comes with watching the sun dip below the horizon, casting a warm glow on the whitewashed buildings, while the gentle breeze carries the scent of the sea and the faint hint of bougainvillea. For those seeking a romantic and picturesque getaway, Santorini is a no-brainer. Now let's travel to our 3rd best destination, the Amalfi Coast, Italy. Picture this. You're standing on a balcony overlooking the sea, the sun is setting, painting the sky in hues of pink and orange. Below you, the Mediterranean laps gently against the shore, while behind you, the vibrant colors of buildings cascade down the hillside, each one a testament to the rich history of this place. That's the breathtaking view you'll be waking up to when you visit the Amalfi Coast. The Amalfi Coast is a 50-kilometer stretch of coastline along the southern edge of Italy's Sorrentine Peninsula. It's a place where land, sea, and sky strike a note of such enchanting beauty. The coastal road between the port city of Salerno and clifftop Sorrento winds past grand villas, terraced vineyards, and cliffside lemon groves. But the beauty of this place is not just skin deep. The Amalfi Coast is steeped in history, with every colorful building, every winding street, every charming piazza telling a story of days gone by. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the narrow alleyways of small towns, each one with its unique charm and character. And let's not forget about the food. The Amalfi Coast is a food lover's paradise. From the freshest seafood to the delicious pasta dishes, every meal here is a gastronomic delight. The region is known for its lemons, so don't miss out on trying some homemade limoncello or a slice of tangy lemon tart. For those of you who love to explore, the Amalfi Coast is crisscrossed with hiking trails. There's nothing like the feeling of accomplishment when you reach the top of a trail and are rewarded with a panoramic view of the coastline. So if you're someone who loves breathtaking views, vibrant and colorful towns, rich history, delicious food, and a bit of adventure, the Amalfi Coast is the place for you. It's a destination that's sure to leave you with memories that will last a lifetime. If you're after a vibrant and historical coastal town with delicious food, the Amalfi Coast should be on your list. Next up, our second best summer vacation spot, Maui, Hawaii. A place where the sun shines brighter, the beaches appear more inviting, and the spirit of aloha is truly alive. Let's start with the beaches. Maui boasts over 30 miles of coastline, dotted with some of the world's most beautiful beaches. From the soft, golden sands of Kaanapali Beach to the black volcanic sands of Wainapanapa, each beach offers a unique experience. Whether you're a sun worshipper, a surfer, or a sandcastle builder, you're bound to find a beach that suits your style. Now let's move inland. Maui isn't just about beaches. It's also home to lush rainforests teeming with life. Hiking trails wind through the dense foliage, leading to hidden waterfalls and stunning vistas. The Hana Highway, a 64-mile scenic drive along the island's northeastern coast, offers glimpses of this verdant paradise. It's a journey that takes you through hairpin turns and along sheer cliffs, but the breathtaking views are well worth it. But the crown jewel of Maui's natural beauty has to be Halikala, the island's active volcano. It's not every day you get to stand on the summit of a volcano, much less watch the sunrise from it. The colors that dance across the sky as the sun peaks over the horizon are simply magical. The unique Hawaiian culture is another reason to visit Maui. You'll find it in the lilting melodies of the ukulele, the graceful movements of the hula dancers, and the mouth-watering flavors of the luau feast. It's a culture that celebrates life, love, and nature, and it's sure to leave a lasting impression on you. And let's not forget the water activities. Snorkeling, surfing, paddleboarding, whale watching, you name it, Maui has it. The crystal-clear waters teeming with colorful marine life make it a water lover's dream. For those seeking a mix of adventure and relaxation in a tropical paradise, Maui is your destination. So pack your bags, apply some sunscreen, and get ready for an unforgettable summer vacation in Maui, Hawaii. And now for our top summer vacation destination, the Maldives. A shimmering spectacle of islands, the Maldives is nothing short of a tropical paradise. With soft, white sandy beaches that stretch out into the horizon, it's a destination that promises and delivers a slice of heaven on earth. Imagine this. You're surrounded by crystal clear waters, so transparent that the abundant marine life beneath the surface seems like a surreal underwater canvas. The Maldives is home to a rich variety of marine biodiversity, including vibrant coral reefs that house thousands of species of fish, sea turtles, whales, and dolphins. It's a snorkeling and diving paradise that invites you to become a part of this stunning underwater world. But the Maldives isn't just about the beach and the sea. It's also about the luxurious resorts that pepper the islands, each one offering a unique experience. From overwater villas that provide direct access to the lagoon beneath, to beachfront bungalows that open up to stunning ocean views, the choices are as limitless as the horizon. These resorts offer world-class amenities, exquisite dining options, and spa experiences that are sure to leave you rejuvenated. What sets the Maldives apart, though, is the privacy and tranquility it offers. Each resort is on a separate island, ensuring that you have your own private paradise. It's the perfect place to unwind, away from the hustle and bustle of city life. Here, the only sounds you'll hear are the gentle lapping of the waves and the occasional call of a tropical bird. The Maldives is where luxury meets nature, where every moment feels like a dream, and where memories of a perfect summer vacation are made. It's a destination that's as close to paradise as you can get, a place where the sea, sun, and sand come together to create an unforgettable experience. If you're looking for a luxurious and tranquil beach getaway, the Maldives should be your top choice. Happy planning!